Hey, and welcome to the AI Briefing Daily, your podcast for the most important AI news from the past 24 hours. Today is May 28th, 2025, and here are our top stories. MIT factory plan, Jellyfish tech, AI job impact, ChatGPT sign-in. MIT factory plan. The Massachusetts Institute of Technology is aiming to reinvent American industry with its Initiative for New Manufacturing. This ambitious program aligns research, education, and industry partnerships to potentially reshape supply chains on a grand scale. Major players like Siemens, Amgen, and Sanofi are already on board, highlighting the initiative's collaborative nature. The focus is on creating an interconnected manufacturing ecosystem, utilizing AI and digital optimization to enhance productivity and sustainability. Close industry collaboration is key, with companies like Flextronics and GE Vernova spearheading pilot projects. Additionally, the initiative supports workforce development through programs such as TechAmp, which works with community colleges to equip technicians for advanced engineering roles. Integrating AI-driven learning tools. This initiative builds on existing MIT programs, striving for a shift from pure output towards intelligence, sustainability, and flexibility in manufacturing. Jellyfish tech. A team of Japanese researchers has turned jellyfish into energy-efficient underwater scouts by integrating them with electronics. Jellyfish swim through rhythmic muscle contractions, a process that requires minimal energy, earning this phenomenon the term embodied intelligence. At Tohoku University, under Dai Owaki's leadership, gentle electrical impulses are used to control the jellyfish's swimming speed. A small control unit, connected to an AI model, calculates how fast the jellyfish will move. The beauty of this technology lies in its subtlety. Without any motors or batteries, the jellyfish glide through the ocean, potentially monitoring environmental changes. Applications range from coral reef monitoring to pollutant detection. Similar biohybrid jellyfish research is underway at Caltech in the United States. AI job impact. A recent survey from the World Economic Forum reveals that 40% of employers intend to reduce staff where AI can automate tasks. Researchers at Signalfire, a data-driven venture capital firm, are observing early signs of AI's impact on hiring. In a recent analysis, Signalfire noticed that tech companies recruited fewer recent college graduates in 2024 compared to 2023. Specifically, there was a 25% reduction in hiring new graduates by big tech companies. Although not entirely attributable to new AI tools, Asher Bantock, Signalfire's head of research, notes AI is a significant factor. Entry-level jobs, often routine and low risk, are particularly vulnerable to automation. Interestingly, demand for experienced professionals is rising. Big tech companies increased hiring by 27% for those with 2 to 5 years of experience, with startups hiring 14% more in that category. ChatGPT sign-in. OpenAI is working on enabling users to sign into third-party apps using their ChatGPT accounts. This initiative is gathering interest from developers who might want to integrate such a feature into their apps. With around 600 million monthly users, ChatGPT ranks among the world's largest consumer applications. OpenAI's potential sign-in with ChatGPT feature could rival similar services from Apple, Google, and Microsoft by simplifying login processes across online shopping, social media, and personal devices. A preview of this experience is already available for developers using Codex CLI, OpenAI's coding tool. Developer interest spans from small apps with fewer than 1,000 users weekly to those with over 100 million. However, details on when this feature will be widely available remain undisclosed. That was the AI news of the day. With this, you're perfectly informed for today. Would you like to create an automated podcast on your own topic? Get in touch with us, and we'll make it happen. Thank you for tuning in. See you tomorrow for the next AI briefing.